Here we are inside Connect. I want to review how the various assignments are set up. As you notice, there is two types of assignments that are ready for you. There's the homework, which is here. The homework is unlimited until the due date. There are the quizzes, which you can take up to 3 times. Till you beyond 3 times, the system will deny access to you. Let me start out with the homework. Click on homework, and you should be taken to a page with this warning up here. Basically, in this homework, I'm checking to see if you read the chapter, and you can change your answer until the deadline. So here's a graphing problem where you can go move the graph. You can check your work, which will tell you if you got it correct or not correct. In this case, I missed it, so I need to correct my answer. Again, checking my work. In this one, it says I got 50% of it right. So there is something missing. I need to go back and figure it out. Check my work again. And look, I got 100% correct on this one. Also, if you're not sure what you're doing wrong, you can check the ebook link, which will give you the page where the answer can be found. And here is the page that explains that you should read again and see where you went wrong. The important, once you're done with a question, go to next up here. Click next, and it will take you to the next question. Or you can use the drop down menu and skip to a question that you care to answer. So this one here is another graphing question. I don't know, I'm just making this up. So this is what you need to do. And then down here you got choices to make, such as wheat or cloth, and to answer the questions. You can check your work again. In this case, I most likely got it all wrong. You see, I got the graph all wrong, 0. I got this question right, and I got this question wrong. Remember, if you're not done, just click next, and it will take you to the next question, or use the drop down menu. If you click submit, it will warn you that you have not completed all of the questions. So here are the questions that you have not completed, and it will ask you, should you submit anyway? If you got unlimited attempts, go ahead, click submit anyway. But on quizzes where you do not have unlimited attempts, click cancel. After you click submit, it will show you your score out of how many points. What's your percentage on that single assignment? It will show you what you got right and where you went wrong. Again, you can use the drop down menu to see how many points on the whole question you got. Also, you can print out the pages of the questions so you can study on paper if you wish. Now let's look at the quizzes. On this one, I am worried a little bit. On quizzes, you get 3 tries. Click on the quiz. It will give you an instruction, and these quizzes can be attempted 3 times. In this quiz, there are 5 questions, and each time you take a quiz, you should get different question. Not every student will get the same set of questions. Again, there are graphing questions. But notice, you cannot check your answers, and it does not give you the option to look it up in the textbook. Warning, do not click Submit Assignment until you're finished with all of the questions. The way to move to the next question is to use the Next button up here. And then you move on to the next question. If you click Next, go to the next question. If you realize you made a mistake, or if you want to jump questions, you can use the drop down menu and jump back to the previous questions, or skip to the questions further ahead. Again, you can print the questions. Save and exit does not work on this. You will lose an attempt if you click save and exit in the quiz on the quizzes. Once you're done, click submit. As you see in this example, I have not finished, and it's warning me that I have not answered these questions. I can click submit anyway or cancel. If you get this warning, I highly recommend that you click cancel. So go back to the questions that you did not answer. Once you answered all the questions, click submit. And now you see that there are no questions missing, and it asks just checking to see if you want to submit or not. Click submit once you're sure that all your answers are correct, and you will see your score on the quiz. In this example, I got 3.24 out of 16 points. And then you can click to return to, and you should be taken back to the page you started out with.